Okay, so I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, girl, another unboxing.
Skip a beat, count 1, 2, 3.
Yes, it is another unboxing, but I returned my previous unboxing, the Chanel Gabrielle Hobo bag in medium in silver hardware. I returned it to Fashionphile just because, well, watch that video and you'll see my reaction to it, but the main reason I returned that bag was because the scratches were bothering me a little bit more than I thought it would bother me, and also the medium size kind of just felt a little bulky to me. I wore it around the house and like the corners kind of like bumped into the doors and like bumped into I'm just like careless, but I do take care of my bags. So I returned it. It does clarify that I love the Gabrielle Hobo bag, but I would like it in small, and also clarifies that I like absolutely love silver metallic. So yeah, the main part of the leather didn't scratch, but the really smooth leather on the base of the bag did scratch, so that was a little concerning, but anywho, that's the past. So today I'm coming at you with a very special unboxing. This particular bag has been on my wish list for a very long time. I have been eyeing it. I just couldn't decide what size, and then I started thinking about it and I just knew what size I wanted. Well, let me go into the story after I show you the bag. Okay. So I purchased the Fendi Peekaboo in the mini size in, I don't really know the details. I just know that it's gray and it's the runway fashion show bag, so you can't purchase this in the store. You just get it from the runway. And the way I acquired this bag was from Penny from Luxury Next Season. I am like obsessed with that lady. She is so cool. If you're not following her on Instagram, I'll put her name right here and I'll add a few pictures all around here. She is an inspiration. She's like a style inspiration. She like wears really cool fur, and her description of herself, she explains that she makes jewelry, she's a fashion, I think she goes to like fashion shows and gets purses and other items, and then she also, like, she's just like a mom, and she has her own business and just does resale for purses and other things. So much. She's just like this super woman. I discovered her through Fashionably, oh, that's a hard name to say. I discovered her through Fashionably, why? Fashionably, that's a hard way to, girl Amy, you chose a hard name. I found her through Fashionably, why can't I say it? I found her through Fashionably Amy, and yeah, through her video, I'll link below. I have seen this bag come and go, and I've seen it like on Instagram and everything, and I loved it, but when I saw it on Amy, I was like, that's the one I want. That is the one I want. So initially my mind was set on the Napa leather in burgundy, and my mind was just set on that, but I kept looking and looking and I couldn't find it. And so then I reached out to Penny, and I asked her, I was like, you know, I saw that on her webpage that she had this in stock, and so I asked her about it and I really wanted it, but I was like, but before I get that, let me just ask to see if there was a burgundy Napa leather one, the really smooth leather. Yeah, that's the lambskin. And she said she could probably find me one, but just if I don't like scratches and things that are kind of like, you know, anyways, yeah, you know what I'm talking about, that this leather really scratches easily. And then I started thinking about it, and I'm like, you know what, this is, I want to get my burgundy bag in the medium classic flap from Chanel. So I was like, I don't have a gray bag. And what really pushed me over the edge was when I saw on her website she had the Fendi Twilly, and then I was like sold. So anyways, yeah, this bag is in a gray color. I don't know the particular name, but when I see it, it reminds me of like an elephant gray. I don't know, like maybe a little bit darker than elephant. I don't know why I'm thinking of animals, but it's a not too dark gray, but it's not light, it's medium. So I'm wearing a gray shirt right now, my background's gray. But yeah, and then it has these orange, blue, and white confetti detail, and then it's in silver, and the inside is, this bag is like new, and she got it from the runway and it's in perfect condition. I looked at it, and the inside's kind of like a light gray suede or microfiber, I'm not sure, and it smells so good and it's absolutely perfect. There are studs on the bottom that say Fendi on it, and it comes with this strap, which I'm 5'2", so I had to put it on a shorter strap, but I'll show you modeling shots in a little bit. If you've seen Amy's video, you'll probably know the details of it. You know, you can button these up and make it look more ladylike, or you can just open it up and then like, you know, Fendi has them coming out like this, but I really just like the peak. Maybe you can do it like this. I can't wait till it starts like, I don't think the mini size actually goes down as much as the medium and large. So that's okay too. So there's 4 sizes, I believe. There's not the super mini, that super mini is the craze right now. There's like the micro, which is like that baby size one. I really like it. It's kind of a charm, not very functional. This is mini, which it's small, but I mean it fits a lot from what I can see and what I reviewed. And then you have the medium, which Chase Amy has in pink, and then there's the large, which is like ginormous. And then I think there's like a luggage version of it. But yeah, so I wanted this in the burgundy and the Napa lambskin, and I'm glad I'm not getting it because I want to save it for my Chanel Classic flap in medium large. And so yeah, so I reached out to, I did research, and the Chanel Gabrielle Hobo bag was kind of just rubbing me the wrong way with the scratches, so I returned it, and my heart really sang to me with this one when I found it, because before it was out of stock. And coincidentally, when I was returning my Chanel Gabby, when I decided to return it, this happened to be back in stock on Penny's page, her website. So I reached out to her, I did a little bit of research, I talked to a few friends, and I reached out to, who did I talk to? Yeah, I pretty much talked to the same girls I talked to, and also Guy, Connor, hi Connor, about this bag. And yeah, and then I reached out to Amy, Fashionably Amy, and she was so sweet. I really like, if you don't follow her, I'm pretty sure you do, but if you don't follow her, she just has like this really, the way that she does reviews and she talks, you can tell that she really methodically thinks through her reviews and like goes through, I just really like her thought process. She really thinks through things, and it's very organized, to me it seems. So I reached out to her, and she just had great things to say about it. She highly recommended it, and she was so helpful. So thanks, Amy. So yes, I adore this bag. I couldn't wait to unbox it in front of you because, well, because I was too excited. And also, Penny sent me a gift as well. She knew I wanted the Fendi Twilly, and she gave this to me as a gift. So thank you, Penny. You are amazing. If you guys have any like want to buy from her, I highly recommend her. The bag came quickly. She was so sweet and so like helpful. So here is the Twilly. It comes in this Fendi box, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. But yeah, so that's all of it. And then I did not know that it had the actual Fendi Zuka print. That's what it's called, I believe, in the back. And I love it. I love it. You guys didn't know I was an opera singer before? I'm just kidding. So yeah, no, let me try to put this on. I don't know how I'm gonna do. And also I'm gonna grab my vintage Fendi bag to put them next to each other. It's kind of cool to have them next to each other. So I'm really excited. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So this is really quick because, but yeah, here is what it looks like with the Fendi. I don't even know if I did it right, like really pretty, but I did it really, really quickly. And so this is what it looks like on this side, the colorful side. I think I'm gonna take more of this part out and so you can see the F's, or do you like this side more? I think this side is better, but yeah. Okay, so I am so obsessed with this bag. What are your guys' thoughts? Do you like it a lot? Most of you guys were very encouraging. Some of you like the Gabby and some of you like this Peekaboo, but I think a lot of people really like this Peekaboo. But anyways, since you weren't there with the unboxing, I literally, when I opened this bag, because we don't have a Fendi store here, which is crazy. So when I looked at it in person, I've never seen it in person, so it was like a gamble to get it, but I like did a ton of research, and I am blown away by this bag. This is a gorgeous bag, and no wonder girls rave about it. I mean, this is stunning. So anyways, let me just stop admiring this bag. I'll probably come back with what fits in it or what's in my bag if you guys would like to see that. And if you do want to see that, then just let me know below. I am thinking about getting a monster charm, which Penny sells as well, to go with this. Let me know what you guys think. And maybe like a chain to make it cool. But right now I just like it like this. It's such a ladylike bag, but also very like trendy. No, not trendy. It's a classic, and it's very ladylike, and it's very, I would say, fashion forward and modern, which I really like. So I just wanted to bring this baby out. This is a vintage Fendi bag in the, I forgot what the stripe pattern's called. I put it right here, a little name for it. The Fendi, anyways. Yeah, so I got this Fendi vintage bag a while back. I really like the silhouette. I was thinking about the Peekaboo, and I was also thinking about the Kelly when I saw this. I'm not saying they look alike, but the silhouette kind of. And yeah, I purchased this on eBay. If you haven't seen my video on it, I'll link it below. And this is, I believe, from the 80s. I don't know. But yeah, look at this. This would be so cute together. So yeah, I just wanted to have vintage and new. So I'm gonna do a few mod shots. I think that's pretty much it. It did come with a dust bag. It came with a dust bag. And then here's a little Fendi bag. And a little bit of tissue paper. And that's about it. It doesn't come with a box or anything because, again, this is the Fashion Runway bag. I love it. I love it. I love you. I love you. You might be my new favorite bag. Okay, I'm being weird. Okay, so that's it, guys. I also, before I go, I forgot to mention that Mel Sodera has this bag, and also I obsessively were watching YouTube videos on this bag, and also All Pieces of Amber, she has this bag, and again, Amy has this bag. So those girls have some good style. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys coming back. I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye. Mwah.